In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom events in HubSpot, a comprehensive guide tailored for all skill levels. Whether you're a newbie just getting started or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your workflow, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and walk through each and every step to ensure your events are set up seamlessly. First things first, let's ensure you've logged into your HubSpot account. If you're not already in, open up HubSpot and sign in. Once you're comfortably in your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now that you're ready, let's head over to the trial guide. This is an invaluable resource as it houses all the tools and insights you need to effectively kick off your form building process. Spend a little time exploring what's available there, as it will be a great asset moving forward. Next up, navigate to your homepage. Once there, you'll want to click on Marketing. This is a crucial section as it leads us directly to the Events area. With Events selected, you're on the right path to start creating your marketing initiatives. This section is the focal point of this tutorial. You'll notice an option to Create Marketing. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins, as you're set to enter the form editing phase. You'll see various fields that require your input. Start by entering the name of your event. This gives your event identity and will make it easier for everyone involved to understand its purpose at a glance. Next, add a descriptive explanation. Take care to include key details that outline what your event is all about, sparking interest and ensuring clarity. Following that, you'll need to specify the type of event. Whether it's a webinar, a workshop, or any other format, picking the right type is essential for logistical purposes and audience awareness. Moving on, you'll find fields to set the start and end date of your event. Be precise here to avoid any potential confusion or scheduling conflicts down the line. Keep in mind that clear organization greatly enhances attendance and overall participation. Lastly, don't forget to assign an organizer to your event. This could be you or another competent team member. This assignment is pivotal for maintaining seamless communication and handling all the intricate details associated with the event. Once you've meticulously filled in all the necessary details, the final step is to click Create. This saves your event and makes it officially part of your HubSpot calendar, accessible and manageable for your team. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom event in HubSpot. Thanks for joining me today in crafting a personalized and efficient HubSpot event. With these easy-to-follow steps, you're well on your way to mastering event creation in no time. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore further and experiment as you become more familiar with the tool.